Hello friends, this is Harsh introducing you to my new channel 404 Programmer Not Found. Today's session is on the basics of C. So let's start. What is the first thought that comes to your mind when you hear about programming? That's the language C. It is the most basic language, which is the prerequisite for learning many high-level programming languages. C is a general-purpose imperative computer programming language, supporting structured programming. It is a high-level programming language and also it is machine independent. C was originally developed by Dennis M. Ritchie between 1969 and 73 at the Bell Labs and used to re-implement the Unix operating system. It has since become one of the most widely used programming languages of all time. C is an imperative procedural language. It was designed to be compiled using a relatively straightforward compiler to provide low-level access to memory, to provide language constructs that map efficiently to machine instructions, and to require minimal runtime support. Therefore, C was useful for many applications that had formerly been coded in assembly language, for example in system programming. Let me also brief you with some features that make C a very popular language. It's a structured programming language. It allows the programmer to solve the problems without worrying about the machine details. It has a wide variety of operators, which we will see later in this tutorial video. It's also a machine independent language that leads to its portability of code. That means the code can be transferred from one computer to another computer and it will run the same on both the computers even if they have different configurations. So let's move on to the next interesting topic, that is the C character set. The C has the following character set components. First is the letters, the lowercase alphabets, that is from small a, b, c until small z, and uppercase alphabets, that is capital A, B, C until the capital Z. Then we have the digits ranging from 0, 1, 2 until 9. Then also the symbols like the tilde, plus, minus, slash, backslash, forward slash, open braces, close braces, open parenthesis, close parenthesis, and many more. Then next we have the white spaces, which include a single space, a tab, and a new line. Moving on, coming up to the most important topic of the C programming language, that is the C tokens. C tokens are smallest or the basic unit of a C program. It is of 5 types, of which the first one is keywords. The tokens which have predefined meaning in C language are known as keywords. They are reserved words for specific purpose in C language. They are also called as reserved words. Some examples for keywords are struct, while, float, switch, register, for, union, break, auto, if, int, goto, and return. Moving on, we have the next part, that is the identifiers. Identifiers are the names given to the program elements such as variables, constants, function names, array names, etc. It consists of sequence of one or more characteristics or digits along with an underscore. So let me also inform you about some of the differences between the keywords and the identifiers. Keywords have the predefined meaning in a language, whereas identifiers do not have any predefined meaning. And keywords are also instructions given to the compiler. Identifiers do not pertain to any instructions, they are the names given to the program elements such as the variables and the function names. Moving on, we have constants. Constant is a value which does not change during the execution of a program. It cannot be modified within the program. Operators. An operator is a symbol that specifies the operation to be performed on various types of operands. Last but not the least, the symbols, the special symbols. They are like the closed and open parentheses, closed and open braces, and the square brackets, and many more. Coming up, we have the data types in C. C has the following data types. Int for integers. Float for floating point numbers like decimals like 1.0, 2.5, 100.1015, something like that. Double for long floating point numbers like the ones with exponents or the numbers which have many high number of precision like 100.234156. Or for example, a double number for pi will be 3.142857, etc. Then we have characters for a single character or a sequence of character. Single character as in the whole of the C character set can be fit into a single character, each one by one, or a sequence of characters, strings. Multiple characters from the C character set are taken and formed into a group. That group is known as a string. Next we have void, a null valued variable. For a variable which does not require any value, the data type given to that variable is called as a void. Moving on, we have the C variables. A variable is a name given to the memory location where the data can be stored. Variable is an exact opposite of a constant. Constants stay fixed always, but the variables keep on changing depending on the user's code. The rules of defining variables are: first, the first character should be an alphabet or an underscore. A variable name which is valid cannot start with a number. Next, we have the first character can be followed by any number of digits, alphabets in any order. So, other than the first character, following characters may have numbers and any other alphabets if they require. No extra symbols are allowed than letters, numbers and underscore. These are the only three elements from the C character set that can be allowed to form a variable. C keywords cannot be used as variable. I repeat, C keywords cannot be used as variables. As we saw, identifiers do not make any meaning or do not pertain to any instruction given to the computer, but C keywords pertain to some instructions. So C keywords cannot be used as the identifiers or the variables. That's all for today, guys. Hit the like button if you have liked the video. Click on the subscribe button to stay updated with the upcoming videos. And also don't forget to share, comment and subscribe. Thank you guys. Thank you and stay tuned for the further videos.